Hello everyone. I had few students who asked me how to insert a picture in an HTML document. So I thought I'd put together a video clip so you can get help from here in case you have not figured out yet. So here is my notepad window and here is my Internet Explorer window. I have them side by side so I can create the HTML document here and load it here to see how it affects or how the change reflects on the browser window. As you can see, I have already typed up the skeleton. Okay, so here I'm going to save this file, say save as, and I'm going to call it say picture demo. Okay, and it's being saved in the desktop. Make sure it is hypertext type, so a .html going to be added to it, as you can see. So I saved it. Now you can see the tags light up. Okay, so if I load this picture, load this HTML document, so open, browse to where you saved the file, which is in desktop, so picture demo, and as you can see, this is what it shows, because in the body we don't have anything since we have the title, so the title is showing up here. Okay, the way you insert a picture is an image tag, img, and then the source of the picture, src, equal, in quotation you put the source. Okay, and since it's a singleton, it doesn't have a matching closing image tag, so we put the slash right there. Now we have to put the file name there, but we don't know what is our file's name, so let's pick a file that we can play with. So let's go to Windows Explorer and go to pictures, sample picture, and there are a bunch of pictures. Here is a good tulips picture. As you can see, tulips. Also pay attention that this file's format is JPEG, so the file's name should be tulips.jpg. okay, so we're going to put this file's name is tulip.jpg. okay, and we save the file and reload it here. This is our Internet Explorer window, and as you can see, it shows a broken picture. Actually, the picture itself didn't show. There could be so many reasons. Okay, one thing is both this HTML file and the picture file has to be in the same folder. Okay, so let's see if we have that. We have this desktop folder, we have this picture demo file, but the tulips picture is in a different folder, which is the picture. So here we go back here and copy these tulips. Okay, so highlight and then copy in the desktop, we put it here, say paste. So here is the tulips picture, here is the picture demo, so both of them are in the same folder now. Okay, so let's see if it's going to work now. We try to reload, still it doesn't work. So you keep looking, what other things can go wrong? It is supposed to be in the same folder, we have it in the same folder. Now you check, did we spell it right or something? And we check and see this file's name is tulips. Okay, there is an S, and as you can see, I didn't type the S. I did that intentionally to show you that when things doesn't work, you look closely what kind of mistake that you may have made. Both of them has to be in the same folder. You copied it to make it, but it still doesn't work. Then you keep looking, and then you find that, well, maybe you may have a typing error. Okay, so we come here, we close this one and add the S there. Okay, so we have tulips. Now everything should be okay now, and if we load it, as you can see, the tulips picture show, but the picture seems to be way too big. So what we do, we come here and say width of the picture equal, for example, again this has to be within quotations, say 500 pixel. Okay, so we save it and reload it, and the picture is 500 pixel. If you would change it to 300, so save it, reload it, and you can see how the picture size changes. That's what I like about two windows side by side. You can change things here and reload it to see the effect. Now if you want to have the picture centered, I've shown you how to make things centered before, so just add the center tag, okay, and close it here, center. Okay, and then of course we have to save the file. It is not necessary to have a space here or a space here. I typed it so that you can see that those things are separate. Okay, it doesn't have any impact anyway. So we save it and then reload it. As you can see, the picture has moved to the center now. If you make the window bigger, still the picture would remain in the center. Okay, so that shows how to insert a picture. However, I was expecting that you will figure it out because it is already answered in textbook. Actually, it is answered in textbook page 90. I had the electronic version of the book loaded. As you can see, it is page 90, and here is the answer to your question. It says IMG, SRC, pipe, JPG. That's why this pipe picture comes, because they don't have a center or anything. That's why it comes on the left side. Alt, you don't need this part. This means that if the picture for any reason doesn't show, it will show this text. And here is the width 250 that made the picture 250 pixel wide. Okay, so actually, as you can see, how to insert a picture in HTML document, the answer to that question is already given in page 90. Okay, in any case, I have shown you here as well how to do that. Hopefully you can do on your own now. Thank you.